Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to do this first example problem here. Where is it? Okay, so if a 50 gram sample of an unknown metal is heated from 45 degrees to 100 degrees Celsius, if the metal absorbs 355 kilojoules of energy, can you identify the metal? All right, so as we do this, first thing we want to do is list off what we know and what we don't know. Okay, so we got the mass of the unknown metal, initial temperature, final temperature, the change in temperature, delta T, so that's the final minus the initial, which gives us 55. And then we already have Q, we're given the energy, and we know it's absorbed. It says it in the question, and it's also a positive number, so Q is positive, and that's in kilojoules. Okay, next, let's write out our equation. Q equals Cm delta T. Delta means change, so change in temperature. This is the equation we're going to use to figure out. We're going to solve for our unknown, which is C. So that's the first thing that I want you to do here. Isolate unknown. Okay, so the unknown is C, so we'll write that. We'll rewrite the whole equation to look like this. Now we've got all the numbers, so we can input the numbers. Sorry for the weird way this is showing up. Okay, so input those numbers. So C equals 355 divided by 50 times 55. Okay, and so when we solve this, C is going to equal about 0.129, and the units, go back here, the units for these 355, that was kilojoules, 50 was grams, 55 was degrees Celsius. So our final answer then, at least for what C is kilojoules divided by grams times degrees Celsius. That's the units for specific heat. Okay, so from here, what you're going to do, you're going to use a reference table. You can find one in your book or on the presentation to look up that metal. Okay, so look up specific heats. Find a specific heat of a metal that's about 0.129 kilojoules divided by grams degrees Celsius. That's a mouthful. And that's the answer to your unknown then. Okay, good.